Today, guys, we're going to be reading the Holy Bible by King James Verses. And the eve and the morning, we were 15 days, and God said, "Let the earth bring forth and living creatures into this kind castle, and creeping the beasts of the earth and his kind." It was, and God made the beast of the earth after his kind, and cattle after his kind, and even things that were creeping into the earth after his kind, and God saw that it was good. Bye, guys.